Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So this is a quick update video on crypto right now, and as you have already seen, this week, as soon as this week started, the Monday candle opened, we have seen a huge pump in the prices of Bitcoin. As you can see, Monday's candle, it pumped all the way up till $74,000. This is the most crucial level that I was talking about for the past couple of days. If I watched my previous videos, you already know, from $71,300 to $73,000. Very crucial level for Bitcoin. And I already told you that there are very high chances that the price of Bitcoin can break this level towards the upside. There are two to three reasons. First is that there is a gap over here, somewhat over here at 81,000 dollars, which the price of Bitcoin has to follow. I've already made a short video about it as well. Second reason is that the price of Bitcoin is dumping very aggressively, and to be quite honest, it is dumping pre-war. So right now, as you already know, there are very uncertain situations right now in all over the world, and geopolitical tension is still there because of the war between Iran and Israel, America. So before that war even started, the price of Bitcoin was dumping incessantly towards the downside, and that is why when this whole war was, I mean, when this whole war started, and right now also the price of crypto is most of the time sideways only and now pumping a little bit. Why? Because the sellers right now are oversold and they are already exhausted. The market has already dumped heavily and now it is just consolidating a bit for the next move. And to be quite honest, whenever this consolidation happens, that means market can go upside also and downside also, any side. So why I already predicted that the market will go upside, I've already said, because there was a gap at $81,000 which has to be filled. And secondly, as I've already told you, that the sellers were exhausted, and even in very uncertain situation like war, if the price of Bitcoin does not dump and stay sideways, this obviously means that the sellers right now are less stimulated rather than buyers. Also, the third reason is that the price of Bitcoin tried to break this level multiple times, but it failed. So there were chances that this will do a breakout soon. And as you can see, Monday's candle did a breakout of this level. And if you watch my last crypto video, I made a video discussing about this pattern over here. I told you all that this type of pattern represents that the price can dump from here, but no, I already said that there are very high chances the price of Bitcoin can pump from here as well, and exactly the same thing happened. And do ignore the background noise right now. But still now also the price of Bitcoin has not done a successful retest of this level after breaking it out. So let's wait. This can also turn out to be a fake out as well, but it's better to just wait right now rather than jumping into any final conclusion over here. Talking about Ethereum next, so I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and well, as I've said it in my previous videos, that for me Bitcoin is the main thing, because if Bitcoin pumps, every other crypto will pump. And same happened with Ethereum also. Bitcoin pumped on Monday, Ethereum also pumped on Monday, as we can see. If I look closely, on Sunday's candle, Ethereum did a breakout of this important resistance level, and on Monday's candle, if I zoom in, you can see it retested this level over here and then pumped towards the upside. So I would say that for Ethereum the retest is successful, and for now this is the support level for Ethereum, but Bitcoin's retest is still not done yet. If Bitcoin does a fake out, then we can see the price of Ethereum also dumping towards the downside. That's a very crucial thing to keep in mind. But Ethereum, as you can see, it surged heavily towards the upside, way bigger candle than Bitcoin, because on Sunday also Ethereum's price pumped, and it pumped approximately 4%, and on Monday it pumped 8%, almost double, you can see. and it pumped all the way up till $2,300 level. And to be quite honest, this is my short position, and yeah, I already closed my short position now. So this whole short position is now fully closed, and yeah, this was my short position over here. I sold over here, and I sold over here and bought over here, and also my last was somewhat over here only. So my last, I would say, exit price was somewhat over here only. So when I saw the price of Ethereum doing a breakout of this important level and pumping towards the upside, obviously my trailing stop loss occurred and my whole position is now closed. So this was a successful trade for me, and as of now I'm not taking any trade in Bitcoin and Ethereum because first of all my long position trade is already running in Solana. I hope you already know about it, as I've discussed about it in my previous videos as well, like why I entered, where is my trailing stop loss right now, where is my TP, etc. And none of this is any financial advice. Don't copy trade me. I don't give any signals over here. I just share my personal trades, why I enter them, how I manage them, what is my main analysis behind those trades, and these things. Just learn from my videos rather than copy trading me or anyone else. You have to do trading on your own only. So as of now, obviously the price of Ethereum is in middle of nowhere, as you can see, not near my support level and not near my resistance level as well. So obviously I'm not taking any trade right now, and until and unless I'm a bit more certain in the price of Bitcoin, then only I may enter in a new position either in Bitcoin or Ethereum. But as of now, I'm not taking any trade in any of these crypto. Alright, talking about Solana in the end, so I'm on the Solana's daily time frame chart, and if you already remember, I entered in a long position in Solana somewhat over here at this candle. After that, the price of Solana was sideways, same like Bitcoin, as I've discussed in my first part of this video. And after this, the price of Solana also pumped. Why? Again, same analysis that if Bitcoin pumps, then every other crypto will also pump. So the same thing happened with Solana also, as you can see. On Sunday, the price of Solana pumped heavily, approximately 5%, and on Monday it pumped approximately 4% towards the upside, and it went all the way up till $96 level. And to be quite honest, it I think reached $98, the high of it, and let me confirm it. Yep, it was 97.68 approximately. So it is very close to my take profit level. So I hope you already know this is my first take profit level. See, first of all, the main thing is that my main take profit level is obviously this next important resistance zone. Why? Because this is a very crucial support zone, and if the price of Solana bounces from here, then it can easily go all the way up till this level over here at $119. But again, the markets right now are very uncertain, and we can't ignore the fact that right now there is a lot of uncertainty throughout the world. And again, targeting this big move in just one take profit is very risky. So that's why my first take profit is over here, and then if this gets hit, then again my next take profits will be higher and higher. And yeah, let's see how this trade will end up, because still this trade is running. And you already know this was my trailing stop loss. This was my stop loss over here. First it was at break even point at entry price, and then I switched my stop loss at 76 point, approximately $76 only. I did inform you guys in my previous video. Also do comment below, are you guys taking any trade in any of these crypto, or you are just waiting right now for the markets to become less uncertain and the whole stocks, Forex and indices become less volatile right now? Or are you jumping with high leverage trades and trying to seize this opportunity? Do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.